No? Nothing?
No, just
Nothing. No bee knowledge, no bee stories you want to tell? Nothing for the internet, huh?
You gotta be
we're
bee
here in the
ready.
backwoods, checking packages into our deeps, getting ready for a good honey crop this spring. We'll all be driving Cadillacs this fall.
There you
I
go.
want to get rich, get in the bee business.
There you go.
Yeah. We need Roy. Good thing we got Roy on our team.
Boy, I'll stand up here and I'll just lie my heart out, you know.
You know, he'll give you the movie of all this.
Yeah.
Have you seen
Boy,
any
that
of
guy talking trash like a radio.
Have you seen any of his movies yet? He's got 5.
Okay, well, we just got here in our first Pine Mountain location. We have 3 locations down here, or up here. And we're just now getting unloaded. You see we got plenty of help, so I'm just gonna let it roll. You already know what we're gonna do. Now they got everything juiced up, they're over there trying to get some fire, trying to get some smoke for our 2 existing hives. I'm going to go ahead and pull out 3 of each of the frames and get ready for the shakes. We're at our last location here in Pine Mountain, and this is probably one of our most scenic locations. I'm gonna twirl the camera around, let you look, but we're just gonna put 3 in here. Bob kind of miscounted, so
don't believe a word of it. This dude here, man, he talking trash like a radio.
This right here is Roy, Bob.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've met him
What's
yet.
left of him? He's just an old wore-out beekeeper.
That's right.
Just out trying to get a little bit of expertise.
All right, let me swing this around so everybody can see how pretty this is. This is really beautiful location here. Got a lake. It looks like it had just rained, but it's just in the middle of all these trees.
Three, right?
Yeah.
So
And we used the
more
other one.
down
We
here.
used the other one on that dead house. See, we could have
Yeah.
had another package for
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
we should have
got
added a
boxes.
couple
I
extra
just- I
packages.
just missed
Yeah.
counting.
If I had been down there this morning, but I don't like getting up that early.
Yeah. Think they're okay? Just no action, but they got bees up in there.
Yeah, they're,
Okay.
but they seem to be a little, I don't know, a little wild or crazy, see? Yeah, it wouldn't hurt to look in there, see if they may be queenless.
Okay.
I mean, let's look at it.
Yeah.
We're
we got-
just smoking
yeah,
them.
I think we probably should. Yeah, I got.
Yeah, because they look a little nervous, you know, and
Well, you want to do that after?
yeah, we can
Go ahead and get all these
till we get
in.
them all riled up, you
Yeah.
know. We can look at it after we get done. What happened here? There's no queen.
No queen.
What happened? Must pull out the wrong one.
No.
She must have went in there.
Has she gotten out or?
No. Maybe a couple of them. They just a couple. What happened?
Huh. Let me see. No attendance, no queen, no nothing.
I don't know what happened.
Was it just empty?
Yeah. Well, there's what, 2 bees in there?
Yeah. I wonder if she's in there already.
She may be. She may already be in there.
I don't know how she'd get in there.
Yeah. Unless they push.
I'd say she's probably in there.
She's probably already in here.
Yeah, that makes
I don't know.
sense. She came out of there and inside that container, she's in that
But I
dump
don't
you're
know.
doing
I
just
don't know how
now.
she got out of the cage.
I don't know. You better put a mark on this one.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, that was his doings. He's the one who put it in there.
Got to bring a couple of queens anyway.
They're not. You're right. It's just 2 little.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
We'll go ahead and pop it and let them out. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Down here.
I think it's queen. Yeah, it's queen. Don't, it's Frankie, you know.
Can't bring any queens with you, dude.
Is there enough bees in there, you think?
You don't hear no more queens, do you?
I don't hear, but I've got them now. I think you got enough bees here to.
Let's see. I don't think so. You just have to bust that out. See, there's nothing in there, much. They never make it,
Right in.
unless they're up at the top.
Yeah, it looks like we only got 3 frames of bees up here.
They're just at the top. Let's see. Check it out. See. Now, see, there's not enough bees in there for nothing. Ah, there's brood.
Yeah, there's bees. in
Was there?
Yeah, there's
Looked like
bees.
it,
There's
looked
brood.
like it had some larvae in there. Look at
Oh,
it.
yeah.
See the brood?
I ain't believing that. They just don't act right. I'll be damned. Well, you see, there is, but there's not many bees, you know.
You don't have much to survive off of, do you?
There's a little honey in there.
Is there?
You see.
We pour some of these things. You got a feeder in it?
Well, it's got honey in it.
I still believe it. I'm still believing it. Unless
See any lure or anything new
Well, I see them.
in the eggs?
I see a few eggs. She must be in there somewhere. I see a few eggs, but I don't know. Sure is weak. The brood spotted. See, there's some eggs right in there.
We'll leave it.
No, yeah, look here. See, there's laying workers. See that right there? See, there's 2 or 3 in there. Now they've been set in there right. They're developing laying workers. See, there's 2 of them. See 2 eggs in there?
Yeah.
See that log? See, there's 2 eggs down in that cell. See? Looks like a cross.
How about the ones on this side, Roy?
These
So what happened?
That's about all, honey,
They're
isn't it?
queenless and they're laying workers started. You see, they have recently got queenless, and what
That's got honey on the backside.
good brood they had is kept, you know, but they're queenless now.
A little bit of honey on all of them.
So what do you do whenever you have laying workers?
Bust it up, or put it, if it's strong enough, you introduce a queen. If there's not enough bees in there, you bust it up like you do this.
That one does too, looks like. Yeah, it does.
Bust it up, get rid of it, because they'll never,
I guess the honey, yeah.
they'll never produce anything if they're laying workers.
Go on and take that one.
Here's the queen.
Oh, you found one? Found it?
Yep, there she is.
Okay. Look here. Let me look through. Find the queen. Yeah. Yeah, they were starting to congregate on top here.
Well, we gotta
Where
have
was she? In the box?
the cage. Can you staple that back down while I hold
No, I
it?
don't have a staple.
Well, here, I got her in my hand.
Okay.
Well, what was she? She was hidden up in there?
No.
She's on top of the. Here, can you put
Here,
that staple back in? That's what you get during the daytime. See, they're trying to drift onto that one too, you know. I think
Well, are we done? All
See,
right.
that's why I don't really like to do it in the daylight, you know, because they're up in the day and you start drifting, you know.
This is Doc, Bob, and Roy.
Roy Bob.
Bob. For GAFLLA Bees, wanting you to be happy and ring that bell and like the video and subscribe for more updates.
Order your Rolls Royce and your Bentley, because this fall we're going to need them.
That's right. And be happy. And we're going to be rich.
Be rich.